everyone, how are you? And welcome to Program Evaluation. My name is Gail Sigalakis, and I will be your instructor for this semester. Thanks so much for being patient with the transition in instructors. It was kind of crazy shift, but I'm really looking forward to teaching Program Evaluation. The last time I taught it, the program reports you guys write are really interesting to read, and I always learn something new. With that being said, Dr. Lou is the creator of this course, and it's kind of her baby, so every once in a while you might see that I use one of her videos or one of her recordings in place of mine. She has a wealth of knowledge on this topic, and sometimes I just find them more beneficial. So I hope you enjoy that too, a different person every once in a while. What I'm going to do is just briefly go over the course and some of the objectives, and I'm always here. If you have questions, you can email me, or I'm a phone call away. And you saw that I kind of extended the time a little bit because I know we were trying to catch up on the few days that we missed. So do what you can with getting that first part, the first week of the syllabus completed. And just reach out to me and touch base with me if you're having difficulties with that. All right. This course is going to provide an overview of the theoretical and practical methodologies relevant to effective program evaluation and assessment of school curriculum and the instruction at the national, state, and local levels. It's designed for graduate students who have assumed or will assume professional responsibilities as teachers, curriculum developers, or school leaders in institutions associated with pre-K to 12th grade education. There are 8 learning objectives that you guys are expected to achieve after the course. The whole course is divided into 5 learning units you'll see in Canvas. Each unit has 3 sessions. Specific objectives are identified for each learning unit and session, and these sessions and unit objectives are all aligned with the 8 course level objectives. Here's a summary of the assessments for this course. As you can see, you'll have lots of opportunities to practice the knowledge and skills on program evaluation that you'll learn in this course through various forms of assignments and assessments. One of the key assignments and the critical assignment for the course is to develop an original evaluation plan to evaluate a program that you choose. In this assignment, you will demonstrate the capacity to design and plan an original program evaluation that directly relates to teaching and learning. We will treat this evaluation design assignment as a big project throughout the whole course. All the learning units and assignments are designed around this evaluation project to build our evaluation capacity. To be successful in online learning, it's very important that you keep active participation in the discussions with your classmates on Canvas and complete all your self-assessment quizzes. As mentioned in the previous slide, there are 5 learning units in this course, and each unit has 3 sessions. For each session, there are voice-over PowerPoint lectures, the required readings, discussions, and assignments. These are all designed to help you achieve the objectives for the session and unit. Please manage to complete all the assignments, listen to the lectures, read the required textbooks and supplemental readings, and participate in discussions and group projects. There are 2 key textbooks and 1 suggested textbook for this course. The Program Evaluation textbook by Fitzpatrick, Sanders, and Worthen is considered as one of the most comprehensive and widely used textbooks for program evaluation. Since it is very comprehensive and covers all the details about program evaluation, you are not expected to go through a great detail of the whole book. We might have more detailed discussions on some chapters than others. The Textbook of Evaluating School Programs by Sanders and Sullins is truly a guidebook or cookbook for evaluating educational programs. It's easy to read and understand. It should be a very helpful book to guide you in planning your own evaluation project. The suggested textbook, Evaluating Online Learning, is an evaluation report that summarizes the challenges and strategies of evaluating 7 online learning programs nationwide. By reading this report, you can learn about program evaluation through various examples in the real-world setting. I hope you have an understanding of this course. The key to success is really to get online and be active every day. I know that's hard to ask, but even if you just pop in every day, check in with the discussion board, make sure you're keeping up on the assignments, then you'll do fine. So for right now, I'm going to say goodbye. But again, I wanted to remind you that I'm here by email, I'm here by phone if you ever have questions. And I oftentimes will reach out through emails to just check in with your progress. I look forward to our first session. Good luck!